Okay, everybody that's talking to me, I need you to stop talking. Nobody say a single word except for 3 mic off. I've had an aircraft in. The 3 mic off, continue down the runway, turn right at Bravo 4.
Bravo 4, I'm a looking.
It's not that high speed right there off your right hand side. It's the next one.
Copy.
3 mic off, just remain this frequency. After you make that right turn, make a left turn on the Bravo.
Make a left turn on Bravo. One start throttling back.
3 mic off, are you able to stop your aircraft? 5708, go around. The aircraft crashed on the airport.
The engine quit, the other one wouldn't shut off.
Number 3 mic off, how you doing there?
Right engine quit, I couldn't get it to run, the left one wouldn't shut off.
Okay, everybody that's talking to me, I need you to stop talking. Nobody say a single word except for 3 mic off. I've had an aircraft incident on the airfield. Nobody's going to move. Nobody's going to take off. Nobody's going to do anything. Everybody just stay still. Stop talking to me. I'm going to talk to 3 mic off only.
Fine.
3 mic off, you're fine. We've got personnel coming out to take care of you and the aircraft. Everything's good to go.
Okay, I'm going to shut down to make sure there's no power. Is that okay?
Sir, and is it still running now? Is it like doing damage to that antenna or anything?
Yes, I have. I don't know how much.
That's fine. You're okay. One soul on board, and how much fuel?
Knock the ground, Blaze 101.
Blaze 101, knock the ground. You can cross the runway and proceed to the emergency vehicle.
Blaze 101 plus 2, crossing 23 left at Alpha 4.
And do you see him sitting there in the middle of the airport?
That's affirmative.
Roger.
Knock the ground, Blaze 101, all off 23 left.
Blaze 101, that's no problem. And Roger, I copy, and you can just proceed to the vehicle.
Blaze 101, Roger.
Blaze 101, do you want us to just not let anybody depart or taxi right now, or can we still utilize runway 5 right, flight 23 left?
Everything's okay as far as that goes. I'll leave that up to you. Everything appears to be okay as far as that goes.
Yeah, so that aircraft landed runway 5 left. He turned off that taxiway that you're passing right now, which is Bravo 4. And then he just made that right turn into the grass and lost control of his aircraft. He said one of his engines went crazy. He did a whole big circle in that grass and then hit that antenna and just started spinning around that antenna.
101, Roger.
Chico Tower, this is Auto Gyro 726 Charlie Alpha, 10 miles out from the south, looking at 31R with Kilo, full stop.
Gyro 726 Charlie Alpha, Chico Tower, make straight in, runway 31 right, report 3 mile final.
31 right, reporting 3 mile final. Tower, this is Gyro 6 Charlie Alpha. I'm going to take a slight detour. I want to find my house.
6 Charlie Alpha, roger. Gyro 726 Charlie Alpha, Chico Tower. Gyro 726 Charlie Alpha, Chico Tower.